Hello guys, so today we'll be making the urad dal vada. For that we need 1 cup of urad dal, then we need 1/4 cup of rice, and then we need 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed or methi seeds. We need salt to taste. Washed urad dal, rice and methi nicely, rinsed it 2-3 times till the water was clear, and I've soaked it overnight. So this is the next morning. Now I will be straining it and then I will grind it in the wet grinder. You can see the urad dal has puffed so well. Just look at this. See, it's cut, breaking into 2 pieces. Even the rice, you can see it's breaking into 2 pieces. Fenugreek seed, look at this. Now we will grind it in the wet grinder. So guys, this is a wet grinder. You can see it has stones, 2 stones inside, which will help in the grinding process. So I'll put the batter and show you. So I've put the urad dal batter. So how to remove the stone grinder is just remove the lock and just remove the stone and remove the batter from the vessel. So you can take it to different places. You can see once you remove the lock. So as you can see, I've removed the batter from the wet grinder and I'm going to add to it 1 onion finely chopped, few coriander leaves, few curry leaves finely chopped, 1 big inch of ginger grated, and few peppercorns, 8 to 10 peppercorns crushed. Okay, so I will add all this to the mixture. We don't need to add salt because we've already added salt while grinding. So we'll mix well. Heat the oil. So the traditional method is to do it with take the batter in the hand, make a hole and then put it in the oil. I'll show you an easy method. So I'll just wet my hands. Wet the ladle, this kind of, which is this kind of ladle. Just take a small bowl. Here. Place it in that. Spread it and just make a small hole. The hole should be bigger because when you put it in the oil, it will contrast. And just dip it in hot oil. I'll show you the traditional method also with this. So you just wet your hands. Just take a little water in your hands. Take a small bowl. This. Okay. Make a hole with your thumb. You can see the vadas have come out. Okay. Just turn it on both the sides and just see the color. And fry it till there. As you can see, the vadas are golden. This stage you can take them.